Yay, we're back again. This time, we're gonna be making peanut brittle. We're in the theme of peanuts. Because we have a lot of peanuts near a bucket. So this is the amount that we're gonna be using. Mom put 4 cups. And butter. And baking soda. Which, these are measured specifically. And they were prepared before we did this. Mom put butter over here, which is also important because the sugar might stick to the pan and that'll be hard to clean up. Then we have vanilla, freshly bought today, and light corn syrup. So procedure 1, heat oven on 200 degrees Fahrenheit. I believe the LPG is on already.
Eventually.
Okay, after a long time of setting that up, we just wait. And while waiting, let's get the sugar. So let's move these to the side. Your giant peanut in your bucket. Have a bowl. Get it filled up by the help of mom. Let's pour it in the bowl. Fill it up. So let's check back on the stove. That's hot. So we just spatula.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's done now. Very quick. So let's just gently pour the sugar in. I have never done this before with sugar. So we mix. Little adjustment and spread it around. Oh, solid. You want it to be more liquidy, and then you pour. Oh, I guess it's pouring time. Ooh. Starting to look like a tutorial. Very. Oh, it's doing something. Vanilla is doing something. It's turning it darker. I hope this ends well with a very nice taste. Baking soda, you're next. Pure junk. Then we just stir it so that everything mixes up well. Okay, it's starting to smell like what are those? Sweet, sweet bread. Ooh. Oh, this is caramel feeling. Look. It's kind of fluffy. Okay, I think we should add it now. Okay, we may have to go to the next scene.
Got to grab these so that I don't accidentally burn my finger. Oh, that's last log.
Here.
Okay, so at this part, or at this point, just spread it. Make sure it's as connected as possible to the parts of the peanuts. Make it as flat as possible also.
It is currently 7:35 p.m. a.m. And we cooked this last night at 9. We waited for this to freeze. We got it out. Time to smash it.
Yeah, this is big brain time.
I got it.